Welcome, friends, family, and loved ones. We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the union of two amazing people, Ryan and Callie, in marriage. They say it takes a village, and sometimes that village has to fly in from a different country. But on behalf of the couple, thank you all for being here. Your love and support mean the world to them. And they're so happy to share this day with people who have shaped their lives and their love.
Really appreciate you. Have a great night. Drink all you want. Toast!
Okay. To Ryan, where do I even begin? Thinking back to the day that we matched on Bumble and how for a month I couldn't wait to FaceTime you each and every night. I had no idea my best friend and forever partner would be from a state that I barely knew existed. I'm so thankful to have found you and to have discovered Wisconsin cheese curds in the process.
Marriage. Marriage is what brings us here together today. And now I'll be honest, I'm not exactly a marriage expert myself, but I do know what love, respect, and partnerships look like when they're a real deal. And with Ryan and Callie, it's obvious they found that in each other. But Ryan and Callie didn't just wake up one morning and say, you know what would be fun? Legally binding our lives together in front of everyone we know. No, they got here the real way. Through a right swipe, thanks to Bumble Incorporated. Through years of shared experiences, through learning each other's quirks and still deciding, yep, this is my person.
Callie, as we stand on the edge of this new chapter, I want you to know how much I know that you love me. I feel it in your words, in your actions, and the way you look at me, even when you think I'm not paying attention. I want you to know I will do everything I can every day to reciprocate that, and to love you and honor it and protect it. I may not always get it perfect, but I will promise I will always try my best. You deserve nothing but the best. I am so grateful for us. Eekly badeek.
You did much better than me. I'm thankful for your silliness and ability to always make me laugh. You make even the ordinary days feel so special. There's no one else I'd rather get coffee in the morning, sing the wrong words to songs, take me down to the Prairie Dog City, visit Disney, and explore new places with. I fell in love with you first through the screen on my phone, then over a far too long distance string of FaceTime dates, and countless times after that. That's what I do for you. I fall for you over and over again. I can't wait for the rest of my life with you, babe. Forever and always.
With this ring,
I give you my heart.
I promise to walk beside you.
Through all that life brings.
I give you my love,
Now and forever.
now and forever.
Ryan and Callie, you have declared your love and your commitment to one another in front of everyone here today. We've heard the vows, we've seen the rings. So now, by the power vested in me, by the internet, in a very quick Google search, I now pronounce you married. You may now seal your vows with a kiss.